Hello and welcome to SETI Reviews. Here I have an, Revo or Ripo X wireless headphones volume control with microphone. Right, so, or is it Rivebox? I think, Rivebox.com. I don't know how you exactly pronounce it, but that's how it looks like. So, let's open this up. This time I got a choice on the color and I chose black with gold. Oh my God, this is so nice. I don't know how well it looks like on the microphone. Microphone? What? In the camera, I mean. But this gold looks amazing. Bit brownish, but otherwise the effect is amazing. Look at that. It's really freaking nice, guys. It's really nice. A lot of people don't notice that gold is not color. Gold is effect. It's not color, it's effect. That's the right one. So it's a big R. That's the big L for the left one. I always think why there's a left and right. If you have the letter on one side, then that will be enough. But yeah, what is this in here? Somebody's hair stuck in here. Some blonde hair. So is it adjustable? Let's see. Wait, what? It's not adjustable? No, it's not. Oh, it is. It adjusts from here. That's what it does. A bit dumb sometimes because it folds from here. It's really heavy to fold this, but yeah, if it folds from here, it can't extend from there. So it gets a little bit stuck, but that's okay. Yeah, you have to be careful because this really is a strong thing in here. I don't really like this thing in here that the cable is loose in here, but yeah, that's how you adjust it. It's wireless and it should also be wired. As you can see, there's some latch thing in here. Yes, that's for the charging and for the, if you want to connect it directly. So this is usual on off, volume up, volume down, and next and previous track, answer the call, so you can use it for hands-free. But I really like this gold, and I think this is one of the nicest color choices of every item I've ever reviewed. It's really nice, I like it. So let's see what else is in the box in here. Obviously there is a cable, the charging cable, USB charging cable. There's no point even taking it out because that's just a standard USB cable. And oh yeah, it's also the phone cable. Look at this one in here, see. So that's pretty good. One of them is an L shape, or is it something? I'll take it out, whatever. I want to check this one. Oh, this is nice. This is like premium quality braided cable. Really nice for touch, really nice looks. It's like braided. Oh look, there's something even in here. So that's what is this then? Oh, I see. That's not just any wire, guys. That's not just any wire. Look at this one. That's the quad block. See, that's the quad. Each line is the separator for the, different line. If you don't know basic electrics, then there's no point explaining. See, this one is a simple one. This one, that's the stereo, and that is the quad one for double stereo. The reason for that is because this one can carry 2 channels. I mean, this can carry 2 channels. This can carry 4 channels, which is for 2 speakers, like left and right side, and the microphone. So it's technically 3, channels, but yeah, that's how it is. So I assume that if you, I don't know what this button here is. That must be some microphone mute, maybe. So what what is this for then? Why is this one only 2-sided? This is a bit weird. I need to check this. Why one is a quad, one is a double. So not sure about that, but it's quite light actually. It's not heavy at all. So I need to connect this up, give you the quality test on this one, tell you how well it fits. It looks like some fingerprints on it. Maybe it was me, maybe not. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out. I'll also show you how to pair this thing. I think if I hold it on, then it's gonna go into a pairing mode. Let's just try. Let's just hold it on. Yep, and it said something too. I think it said pairing. See, if it blinks blue and red, then it's a pairing mode. That's just, whoops, standard thing. I think I just messed up the camera, but that's okay. So that's just a standard thing, like on the headset. You just hold it down until the light starts blinking red and blue, and then it's in a pairing mode. So as I said, it's very straightforward. You just hold this button down until it starts blinking like it did before, blue and red. It's not blinking right now because it's connected. Then in the phone, you go into your settings, Bluetooth settings, and then it's this one, the XBT 880. That's the headset you need to connect to. It says connected, and that's it. That's how you pair this thing up with your whatever device you're using, either a phone or whatever. So I gave it a quality test, and well, I'm actually surprised. I didn't expect it to be that good. I've tested a lot of these Bluetooth headphones, and this definitely takes the cake. I think it has really good bass. It's not the most comfortable, headset, I would have to say. I got another one in here. This one, I don't even know. That's Linkwitz. It's quite expensive stuff. This one is also very sturdy, and you see these cushions. Look at these. Look at the difference in between. See, these ones, they're a lot smaller, so my ear fits perfectly in here. And this is also softer, so I will definitely recommend for these guys in here to take a step from the headset I just showed you. And also this angle would be good to turn, but it doesn't, so... But otherwise, the bass quality, definitely one of the best ever. It's just that my ears doesn't fit in here. It's so small, so it's like sits a little bit uncomfortable, and this is not soft enough. So this is one of the things I'd like to complain about, definitely. I mean, I have so many headsets, like I've reviewed so many headsets, I've tested a lot of them, and I am just saying the cushions, they have to be bigger and softer. Like, for a short time, use, it's not big of a deal, but if you're using it every day and you're trying to actually enjoy music and stuff, then you definitely need better cushions than these ones. But yeah, bass, audio quality, I mean, audio quality is always good. It doesn't like crackle or anything. You can put it pretty loud without any, crackling sounds and stuff. Bass is amazingly good, I have to admit, even though the cushions, they don't seal off properly, but still, bass is really good on this one, so really happy with that. And this thing in here, this is nothing more than a microphone in here, this thing. That's why it's a two-sided connector like that. Whatever, I'm not gonna unravel it. So this here is a microphone, and if you plug this into your headphones in here, like so, well, I'm not gonna plug it in, but if you plug this into your headphones, just get in there, and then this one goes into your whatever, well, not whatever. This is the reason why I can't even test this microphone, because my computers don't take the quad input. I don't think any computers take the quad input, maybe some newer laptops or something, but usually the laptops, they have two plugs in there, and even the PCs, everything. One is for microphone and the other one is for headset. It's like the double stereo plug. But this one is for phones, so like iPhones or Android or whatever. You have to check it from your manual if it supports this kind of connector. If it does, you connect this into your device. This goes into the headphones, so that's why this is only a 2, because the headphones come through this, and the microphone is already embedded in here, and it outputs it from here. So I hope I have explained it in detail, what the difference is between these cables. And here's a little bit of complaint time for you. I didn't read through everything, but I'll just show it and then I'm gonna read it. See the number 7, charge. Before charge, turn off the headphones. The headset charging cable connect to the computer USB pilot lamp turning green. It means connect with USB successfully. Headphones is charging. Built-in battery capacity overload protection detection system. No need worrying about the battery long. Pi-Alt lamp turns off means charge finished. What the fuck is this? I keep saying this. All these companies like Japan or China or whatever. Guys, can you not just hire someone to translate this thing for you? Is it really that difficult? I will do it for free for you guys. If you would put my name like under here, translated by Setios, or like special thanks to Setios Reviews for translating, I will do it for free if they would put my name under it. Like just give credits and I will do it for free. Like seriously, this is not English what you're writing in here. It's just ridiculous. But anyway, the headset itself, it's pretty good. I like the colors, I like the bass. not the best comfort, but otherwise it's pretty cool. And you also get this kind of happy and unhappy card thingy thing in here. So, but yeah, guys, this is the Rivebox Bluetooth wireless golden black headset thing, and I will see you next time.